Covenant Health started antibody testing earlier this week, which can determine if a person has been infected with the coronavirus. These tests will provide a clearer picture of just how many people in the Lubbock community have been infected. On the first day of the antibody testing, Covenant saw 150 patients. During a Thursday news conference, local health authority, Dr. Ron Cook, said he's already seen a few shocking results from these tests.
I had a member of the hospital faculty that never knew he was even sick and tested positive for the IgG. Somehow he got exposed, was not symptomatic, may have spread it to others, we don't know, but he has a presence of IgG. We hope that confers immunity.
IgG is the type of antibody they're testing for. Cook explains that there are two types of antibodies, IgG and IgM. IgG antibodies are those that are believed to give us immunity. But he says it's still too early to say for sure when it comes to COVID-19.
At this point, it is way too early for us to even determine whether or not, if you build your own natural immunity to the disease, how long it's going to last. And those will be studies that will be pending over the next several months to years.
Dr. Harvinder Gill has some concerns of his own about the assumptions circulating about antibody testing. He's been working on developing a vaccine for COVID-19 since February.
And now we are assuming that antibodies against the coronavirus are in the patient's blood, so they are protected from future infection, and therefore they can go into the public. So this is one hypothesis being circulated, but there is no basis for this. No one has done a study to say if you have recovered, then you are safe and you can go out.
Well, antibody testing cannot guarantee a person is immune to the virus. It'll hopefully shed some valuable light on when and where it has spread in Lubbock.
We've tested a number of individuals in the healthcare industry so far, but very few have antibodies. In short, that tells me that they didn't get infected, and we're doing a pretty good job of protecting ourselves with the personal protective equipment.
For Texas Tech Public Media, I'm Casey Ellingson. Follow our COVID coverage at kttz.org and share your stories with us on Twitter and Instagram at TTU Public Media. Support for this program comes from Texas Mutual Insurance Company. In response to the COVID-19 crisis, Texas Mutual is distributing dividends to eligible policyholders 2 months early, along with other community relief actions. More at texasmutual.com/dividends.